A month after a police officer shot and killed an Independence mother and baby, we're continuing to ask questions about transparency. On November 7th, Independence police shot and killed Maria Pike and her infant Destiny. Body camera video showed Maria moving toward an officer with a knife while holding Destiny. And KSHB 41 News reporter Abby Dodge has been looking at use of force policies for police departments throughout our community and tells us the state law is open to debate.
I submitted a public records request to the Independence Police Department, and this is what I got. A few sections of the policy were blacked out. Earlier this month, we heard the concerns of a police accountability group.
It just makes it seem more suspicious, you know.
Is this transparency?
No, that's not transparency at all.
Every state has a public record transparency law. In Missouri, it's called the Sunshine Law. I spoke with an expert who says recent changes to the 50-year-old law leave room for interpretation. Missouri lawmakers have added exceptions to the Sunshine Law over the years. After 9/11, lawmakers added an exception for law enforcement agencies to not release policies and plans related to incidents that are or appear to be terrorist in nature. But in 2023, lawmakers took that language out, which experts like media lawyer Mark Johnson say broadened it.
We went from a relatively narrow exception relating only to potential terrorist activities to a much broader exception.
Independence Police cited that exception when redacting part of its use of force policy. The department added if that portion were public, it could endanger citizens and police department personnel. IPD Chief Adam Dustman talked about my reporting last week.
There's a reason that carve-out exists, and that is that we don't want to telegraph to the public how we do some of the things that we do so that you know when that is coming if unfortunately you are ever involved in that situation, where there is a justifiable use of force under our policy.
The chief went on to say the department could make changes.
Maybe we need to do a better job of refining our policy process to not be, separating policy from procedure, and we will go through that.
There is no one right way to handle these situations.
Johnson says the only way to test the updated law is in court and have a judge decide. After Independence Police sent me its redacted use of force policy, I asked surrounding agencies for the same policy, even going across the state lines into Kansas. Of the 15 policies I have gathered, only 2 have parts redacted: Raymore and Independence. Abby Dodge, KSHB 41 News.